This is part 2 of changing a vintage Mickey Mouse hat into a zombie Mickey hat in homage to the flop 1995 animated short, Runaway Brain. My BFF and I are running the Halloween 5K at Disneyland, so we need to make some costumes. And I want to be Zombie Mickey from Runaway Brain. So far, I bought a vintage Mickey hat from eBay, I've painted the face and the backs of the eyes. And now that everything is dry, I need to figure out the placement of the pupils. So basically, I've just cut out 2 pieces of red construction paper, and I'm just going to audition different spots in the eyes. Do I like them up higher? Do I like them down lower? Do I like them closer together? So I can get that personality exactly right. Okay, this is looking good, and so now I'm going to put in some veins to the eyes to make them look extra ghoulish, and then I think we're in the home stretch. So now, we're going to do teeth. So I got Sculpey, which I have never used before, and the directions are too small for me to read, so I'm going to guess what it's supposed to be like. And now I have glasses because I went blind working on the eyes yesterday. There is a very specific technique to doing this. I don't know what it is, so if you find out, just put it in the comments. After I made about a dozen different options, I'm ready to pop these into the oven to bake. Good luck! I'll cook them for 15 minutes at 275, and when they're done, they'll come out hardened and just a little bit brown on the edges. All that's left is to glue the teeth onto the mask, and then presto! My zombie Mickey hat is complete. I got some basic running clothes to create the Mickey costume, and now I'm ready to race. The race began at 5 a.m. from inside Disneyland, and I had a great time running around and mugging for pictures all the way. And in the end, we set a new world record and won the race. Good job, us!